here we are, and we're going to do our standard feature now, our live cabin review. So it's me and it's Michelle. Hello Michelle. Right, are you going to open the door? We are on B735.
On Ventura.
On Ventura. Right, here we go. It's a starboard balcony cabin. So first of all, let's show you what we've got. Usual things. The safe, the clothes storage. The life jackets are up there. The bathroom. Let's have a look in there. So we've got, as you have with everything but with Britannia's we've been on, the shower curtain, which we don't particularly like, and the bathroom is nice and compact. Probably see this on there. Of course, you've got the toilet, you know you need that, and then a full-length mirror. Hello. Turn the light off. And into the bedroom. We've got our setup as a double this time. We like to be random like that. And magnet on the wall, of course, for our horizons. We have a flat screen TV, and we have the fridge, which we're going to show you, and the bottle of water falls over for effect there. And we'll now shut the door. There we go. Sorted. And we have, of course, mirrors. You've got the UK plugs, the phone for room service when you need a bottle of wine, and that's the inside done. So let's go outside and have a look on the balcony cabin. Today we are docked in Malaga in Spain, and the heat hits you as soon as you go outside. It's absolutely lovely. So I'll just do a quick pan around. This is, like I say, this is on the starboard side, and the port side is where we're docked on. And that's our balcony cabin, and you can see we have plenty of room out here, nice amount of space, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe, that'd be really nice.